Hello everyone, I'm Billy. Most of the time I talk to you about indoor things. This time we'll go outside with but to take a look at the model island I often visit. Let's get started right away. Now my route not only includes going to the remote control model shop, but also checking out some figures and other model shops. First we'll head to my current destination. So I will also avoid the crowded areas like Nathan Road. Walking along the road near Kwonghwa Hospital will be much easier. So you'll see me first walking through a shopping mall, then there's a bath shop, followed by a remote control model shop, and then another shop with both models and remote control models before reaching my destination this time. This remote control model shop also sells a lot of four-wheel drive cars, electronic speed controllers, and static models. They are also getting ready to sell the latest model of the year, the TRF Formula, which I'm looking forward to. There are also many various parts for four-wheel drive cars which are quite densely packed. When you come in, you'll see that their stock is really packed tightly.
So, I am fortunate to know this person, Mr. Dujijia. Yes, hello. I want to ask you, is there anything you would like to introduce to the audience? Or talk about? Actually, we've been in the model business in Mongkok for a long time, almost 30 years. Yes, we mainly started with cars, playing with and using cars, and then got involved in this. The model industry, yes, but you two are partners as brothers, right? You are brothers, yes, on Punghao Street. And then I said, hey brother, Zheng. Yes, that's good, that's good. So in these 30 years, what ups and downs have there been? Actually, there have been significant changes. Initially, we focused more on the wow factor, but now the market has shifted. Many people like to play with entry-level things that are also therapeutic. And the customer base has become more vibrant. But I have bought some things from you and Sun Suyu, and I noticed that your prices are quite reasonable. So, what's new that you can recommend for us to play with recently? Recently, well, the new thing is this TD4. These things actually, this design comes with an electronic speed controller. Yes, using an electronic speed controller, so you don't need to spray it. It's really good. It already has color. It's originally white, and then you just apply the stickers, and it's done. It comes with red stickers and blue stickers. Okay, oh, that's how you can mix and match. So you don't need to play. With this thing, it's impressive. But I've heard there are some really rare items, or limited edition items. Yes, limited edition items these days. Okay, yes. As far as I know, these days, it's only available for purchase in Japan domestically. But in Hong Kong, I got a few through some Japanese contacts. Really precious. Truly precious. If you were to play with it, you might not be willing to, honestly. But if you're collecting, it's a great choice. Indeed. Because remember, it's limited for now.
I think I'll introduce it to more people for you. Let others know. If you have any promotions, let me know, alright? That would be great. Now, after watching this short video, I need to clarify to everyone that I have no financial interest with this shop. Sometimes I do buy things from them, but this is actually the first time. I've chatted with Mr. Du Jijia. It's surprising how quickly 30 years have passed. But I've noticed this shop and its two owners. They are indeed very hardworking. They work 7 days a week from 12 p.m. to 8 or 9 p.m. This is the spirit of Lion Rock. And I hope everyone can learn from what I've shared. Next time, I'll talk about another model shop. Thank you all.